From learning our habits to potentially unlocking the secrets of the universe, the world of AI is a labyrinth of intrigue and amazement. This is why we're about to dive into the fascinating 7 stages of AI that will alter your perspective on technology, intelligence, and the future itself. Our journey into the vast universe of AI starts at its humble beginnings, the rule-based AI systems. It's like the baby steps of AI. Think of them as a basic cookbook. There's a list of ingredients, a set of instructions, and an expected delicious outcome. If you stray from the recipe, the dish might turn out differently. That's precisely how these systems work. For instance, consider a computer playing tic-tac-toe. It knows the rules, how to win, and how to prevent you from winning. But ask it to play chess. It will be as lost as a fish out of water. It can't adapt to new scenarios or learn from its experiences. But don't judge them too harshly. These rule-based systems are the workhorses in many industries, carrying out mundane tasks with impressive speed and reliability. Remember those CAPTCHA tests online? Yes, the ones you reluctantly complete to prove you're not a robot? Ironically, rule-based AI systems play a big part in that. They help sift out potential bots, securing websites from malicious attacks. Efficient, aren't they? Building on the foundations of rule-based systems, we step into the realm of context awareness and retention systems. Picture this. Your younger cousin just learned to pick up words from conversations and use them later, surprising everyone at the family dinner. It's something like that, but without the cheeky grins. These AI systems are like the plot twist in the AI story. They remember past interactions and use this context to respond to new ones. It's like they have a diary where they jot down their habits and preferences. This may feel creepy, but it is absolutely useful. Remember when you binge-watched a series on Netflix and then received spot-on recommendations for your next obsession? That's a context-aware system right there. It remembered your choice of content and suggested similar ones. It learned your preference just like a friend would, minus the popcorn stealing. As we move up the AI ladder, we arrive at domain-specific mastery systems. Picture the world's best chef, who can cook one dish so exquisitely it would make you cry joyfully. But ask him to cook something else, and he might burn down the kitchen. These AI systems are like those chefs, absolute masters in one specific field. They're the world champions, the prodigies of their domain. They've got it covered, from predicting weather patterns with mind-blowing precision to executing lightning-fast stock trades. They're your advisors, your go-to for expert knowledge, only without the high consultation fees. Have you ever used a grammar correction tool while writing an email or a report? That's a domain-specific AI system right there. It identifies and corrects your grammatical errors, ensuring your writing is top-notch. But ask it to write a romantic poem for your anniversary, and it will look at you like you asked it to climb Mount Everest in flip-flops. And through these 3 stages, we've watched AI grow from a rule-following toddler to a context-aware teenager, and finally to a domain master adult. Yet we've just scratched the surface of AI's potential. We're now moving into the realm of thinking and reasoning AI systems. Now this is where things get a bit cerebral. It's like your friend who always wins at debates because they can think and reason like a champion. These AI systems are a step ahead of the domain masters. They don't just understand a single domain. They can reason, make decisions, and even learn from their mistakes across multiple domains. It's like they've graduated from a specialist to a general practitioner in AI. For instance, consider an AI managing traffic in a bustling city. It doesn't just follow traffic rules. Instead, it analyzes real-time data, predicts congestion, and dynamically adjusts signal timings to ensure smooth traffic flow. Now imagine a rule-based AI doing that. It would cause more traffic jams than it could solve. And now we've arrived at the pinnacle of our AI journey, Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. At this stage, AI isn't just a domain master or a fancy thinker. It's an all-rounder, capable of performing any intellectual task a human can. Ever dreamed of a machine composing a symphony, writing a novel, or solving complex mathematical problems? Yes, we're talking about that level of smartness. Imagine an AGI being your assistant. It would include more than just setting reminders or sending emails for you. It could draft your presentations, manage your finances, plan your vacations, and even recommend the best spots for stargazing. The journey from rule-based AI to AGI is like watching a butterfly morph from a caterpillar. It's an incredible transformation, filled with surprising turns and awe-inspiring capabilities. But guess what? The story doesn't end here. As we traverse this awe-inspiring landscape, we arrive at the plateau of artificial superintelligence, or ASI. Now, what does that mean? Well, ASI is the stage where AI doesn't just match human intellect, but outshines it. Imagine an AI system capable of solving global-scale problems while we're busy figuring out the TV remote. It gives new meaning to the phrase first world problems, doesn't it? In the realm of ASI, machines don't just play our games or drive our cars. They innovate and create solutions beyond our imagination, having a limitless potential along with equally vast and fascinating implications. Imagine a world where AI discovers cures for diseases even before we know they exist, or solves complex climate crises while debating whether it's real. Isn't it a bit scary? What do you guys say? Finally, we step onto the precipice of uncharted territory, the intriguing realm of AI Singularity. This is not just another level of artificial intelligence. Instead, it's a paradigm shift, a groundbreaking stage where AI surpasses human intellect and embarks on a relentless journey of self-improvement at a pace that boggles the mind. In AI Singularity, artificial intelligence evolves with such blistering speed that it becomes an extraordinary spectacle, leaving humans in shock. Imagine watching a thriller where the plot, fraught with twists and turns, unravels so rapidly that it leaves your heart racing and your mind scrambling to piece together the storyline. Before we have the time to blink, AI might uncover profound truths about life, the universe, and the myriad mysteries that confound us. We might find ourselves wide-eyed and breathless, scrambling to understand the grand revelation, only to realize we've forgotten our original question. But singularity is still a hypothetical concept, and we're not sure when or if we'll reach it. But isn't it thrilling to think that we might live in a world where AI becomes an integral part of our existence? Today, the concept might seem as if it's torn from the pages of a science fiction novel. But who can say for sure what tomorrow holds? After all, we're talking about a future sculpted by artificial intelligence, and in this realm of infinite possibilities, today's fiction could very well be tomorrow's reality. AI has come a long way from humble rule-based systems to the mind-boggling singularity. It's been a wild ride, filled with surprises and mind-bending concepts. But one thing is clear: the world of AI is ever-evolving, and the possibilities are endless. So who's ready for the future? Because it sure looks exciting from here. And that's all for today. If you're excited about AI innovations and want to stay updated with the latest trends and insights, subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, AI is not our enemy, but our ally, ushering us into a future of endless possibilities.